Today we're going to solve problems with stress. So first we have A speed rod with a diameter of 20 mm carries a tensile load of 50 kN. Calculate the average normal stress of the rod. So we have solution area is equals to pi d squared over 4. So after inputting our values, we have pi 20 squared over 4. We have 314.6 kN squared. Normal stress, P over A. So you have 50 times 3 over 314.16 equals to 150.16 gigapascal. So next we have a bulb with a diameter of 12 mm subjected to a single shear force of 80 kN. So find the average shear stress in the bulb. The solution area is equals to pi d squared over 4. Including a value to the pi 12 over 12 squared over 4, we have 138.5 millimeters squared. So the shear stress T is equals to B over A is equals to 8 times 10 to the over 138.1 is equals to 70.73 gigapascal. So the 10 mm thick plate is connected by a 15 mm diameter plate. The plate carries a load of 12 kN. Determine the stress between the plate and the plate. So solution A is equals to 15 mm times 10 mm or 150 mm squared. So the bearing stress P over B 12 times 10 to the 3 over 150. 80 megapascal. So fourth, we have a rectangular beam with 50 mm and height 100 mm. Is simply supported and carries a central point that produces a maximum energy moment of 40 mm per meter. Calculate the maximum yielding stress. So we have the moment of inertia base tensile over 12. 50 times 100 over 12 is equals to 4.167 times 10 to the 6 millimeter per. We have given a 6 was 50 millimeter with the maximum yielding stress of MC over I is equals to 4 times 10 to the 6 times 50 over 4.167 times 10 to the 6 number 48 gigapascal. So last we have a solid circular shaft with a diameter of 40 mm that's made metal of 500 mm per meter. Find the maximum torsional stress. So we have solution. For moment of inertia or J is equals to pi d4 over 30 pi 40 over 30 is equals to 0.513 times 6 times 10 to the 6 millimeter per. We have given our the torsional stress P or is equals to P times R over J. We have 500 times 10 to the 3 times RD over 2.513 times 10 to the 6. We have 39 megapascal. If a slip bearing has an outside diameter of 28.1 mm and a length of 50.8 mm, the wall thickness is 3.6 inch. The bearing is subjected to a radial load of 500 kg. What is the bearing pressure in PSI? So A, we have 904 PSI, B, 409 PSI, C, 490 PSI, and D, 940 PSI. So the answer is letter C, 490 PSI. This material is the most popular alloy spring steel coating machines, involving higher stresses than can be used with the higher carbon sticks, and more used where fatigue resistance and long endurance are needed. This is also good for sharp and compact loads. So we have A, from silicon, B, from vanadium, C, hard graphite, and D, welded wire. So the answer is B, from vanadium. Determine the minimum mole depth of spur gear of 14.5 degree involute type with diametral pitch of 24 circular pitch of 0.1309 inch. So we have A 0.09000 inch, B 0.098900 inch, C 0.0899 inch, and D 0.08975 inch. So the answer is C 0.0899 inch. So 74. A parallel helical gear set was a 17-foot pinion driving a 24-foot gear. The pinion has a right-hand helix angle of 30 degree, a normal pressure angle of 30 degree, and a normal diameter pitch of 5 feet per inch. Find the action circular pitches. So A, we have 1.2566 inch per foot. B, 1.6625 inch per foot, C 1.6526 inch per foot, and D 1.6256 inch per foot. So the answer is A 1.2566 inch per foot. So lastly, for numerical standard screw threads, what does 6 letter needle UNC designate? So A, we have size 6 needle threads per inch for strap. B 6 inches basic diameter, needle threads per inch for thread. C size 6 vertical threads per inch on thread, and D 22 inches basic diameter, 6 threads per inch for thread. The answer is A size 6 vertical